Hey my OhSos, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is from Yiroo hair, and I will be sure to link all their information down below in the description box. So I'm going to show you guys a brief unboxing, and then we're going to get right into the specs, the details, and my overall opinion about this unit. Stay tuned. So you guys, I'm back with this Yiroo hair unit on my head, and again I will leave all their information down below in the description box in a direct link, as well as all the information on this particular unit that I have on my head. All that info will be in the description box, but let's get into some specs before I give you guys my overall opinion about this unit. So the origin of this hair is Brazilian deep wave, and look, oh my gosh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful texture. This is 150% density, and it's really full, super full. I'm going to give you guys a 360 and all that in just a second. The lace frontal portion of this wig is a 13 by 4 inch, and that's how far the lace goes back in the middle. And if I didn't say, this is 18 inches. I'm not for sure if I said that already, but let me give you guys some different angles so you guys can see how it's falling on me. Super full. For 150% density, they did not skimp on this hair. So that is like everything to me. You guys know on my channel over here, we love big divalicious hair, so I'm all the way here for this hair. So taking this unit out the packaging, I didn't notice like a really distinct smell, so I'm definitely here for that. And the shedding when I washed this hair was like maybe just a couple of strands. And when it comes to curly textures, as I mentioned before on my channel, that's something I look for, because if it's shedding a lot straight out of the manufacturing packaging, then you know it's probably going to shed a lot in the future. But this unit maybe shed like 2 or 3 strands of hair, so that's definitely good. I do have a medium cap construction, and it fit my head really well. I did have to go in and kind of customize it to my liking, and that brings me to my only con about this unit. It doesn't come really pre-plucked. So oh my gosh, let me show you guys. This is the amount of hair that I plucked out of the frontal area in the front, and let me tell you, baby girl, it's still not where it needs to be for my liking. But that's not really a major con, because it actually gives you the ability to be able to customize it exactly to your hairline and to your liking or your preference. So that's not really a con. It just was a con for me, because it took me a while to tweeze that out, sis, and it's still not where I want it to be. Anywho, the pros: beautiful texture. I can see this hair being worn like on a vacation or like to the beach somewhere. So this is definitely spring and summertime hair. However, this is year-round hair as well, because you can straighten this hair, wear it straight. You can wear it in its natural texture, how I have it right now, which is absolutely gorgeous. You can curl this hair and basically manipulate it any way that you will like with ease, because this hair will straighten very easily or curl easily, and I'm pretty sure it would hold a curl as well. The shipping time was probably about 3 days shipping after processing, so that's really good coming from overseas. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much my overall opinion about this wig. This is my first day wearing it, so I can't really tell you guys the longevity of this hair, but I do feel like for the price, the quality does match. You guys know on my channel, my hands touch all different grades of hair, and this hair is on the medium high scale of textures, so it's definitely of quality, especially for the price. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns for me, go ahead and leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll be sure to get back to you guys. Again, all the information to check out Yiroo hair or to purchase this unit will be down below in my description box. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you a part of the OhSo fam, so hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and fam if they're looking for a slay, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.